All right, guys, welcome back to another video with your man Jay. Today we're going to be doing Black Friday deals for Google, man. There's a lot of them that is on sale, and I wanted to discuss the ones that I actually have in hand here and tell you the pricing. So this is the brand new Google Pixel tablet, and you can get this for $399 right now. This is $100 off. Now I have the docking station as well. You can buy it with the docking station or without the docking station. I suggest you get it with the docking station and really save yourself the hassle of buying it separately, because this is a performer right here. I haven't given you much updates on this because I actually use this regularly. I use it every day by my bedside when I want to use an Android tablet. And this is more than just an Android tablet. This is a phenomenal machine. Very nice. Probably the best Android tablet you can get on the market right now, because there's not very many Android tablets out there. So just to be clear, this is another episode of Record a Pixel with a Pixel. So this is the Pixel 8 Pro recording this video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. So first deal here that I want to tell you about is the Pixel Tablet Team Pixel Stand Up. $399 for this tablet, especially when there's not a big market right now for tablets. Like everybody thinks iPads are the best tablets, and to be fair, they are very solid. But if you're an Android fan, there's not much competition out there for Android tablets. You just got Samsung and Google and just a few other brands that people don't really talk about. So with Google coming back from the Nexus tablet they used to have and bringing this with the docking station, phenomenal speakers, everything about it is just really good. And to be able to grab this for $100 off, you need to hurry up and do it. Then the next thing I want to show you is the Pixel Watch. So this is Google's latest right here, Pixel Watch. You can get this for $80 off. You can get this as low as $200. So be sure to check out which color you want to get and all the different items you want to check out for watch wise. But I think this watch is really nice. And for $200, okay, I can work with it, because there's not a lot of smartwatches out there with this type of quality build. This build is actually pretty solid. It just kind of lacks in the size of the screen. This is a 41 millimeter, I believe, and we need like a 47 or a 44 at least. But for $200, this is looking pretty good. This is a really good watch you should check out. This is obviously the bay color. Everybody loves the bay color. Now that's a color that's obviously going to be very popular. I think a lot of people really like blue. Blue is just a nice color. It's just a beautiful color. It just happens to be my favorite color. This is actually my favorite color of all colors. For people that my personal life that know me, they was like, "Oh, you finally found something you like." Yeah, this bay color is really sweet. So the watch coming in at a minimum of $200 on Black Friday. It's a steal, folks. So you can also get the Pixelbud A's for $40 off. $59 for the Pixelbud A's. Actually, I'm using them, so I think they're across the room. But you can get the Pixelbud A's for $59, and you can get the Pixelbud Pros for $119. That is actually a really solid deal, and I'm more than likely gonna go ahead and pick those up. But let's move on to the next item. Obviously, we have the 7A. The 7A coming in at $125 off, folks, is just a steal in its own. Black Friday deals kind of happen all year long. They just don't happen with such a deep discount on some of the devices. Like this one might be $50 to $100 off, but $125 is the most I've seen this device discounted, like to just buy it straight out. Now you'll find carrier deals, or Google Fi normally has some pretty decent deals, dealers where they're telling you can get it for free or on us, but you have to sign a contract for that, basically. So with this situation here, you can get the device outright for $374. That's a phenomenal deal. The Pixel 7a is one of the best phones on the market if you want Android, and it is just a great all-around deal. It is one of their latest devices. The 8 lineup is out, but this kind of goes hand in hand with the 8 lineup. So just keep that in mind. If you don't want to spend too much money, the Pixel 7a is a beautiful option for you, a very solid option. So what's next? What's next is the Pixel 8. Now the Pixel 8 has to be for a person that kind of wants high-end but doesn't want to spend that high-end money. Yeah, that's where this comes in. So being able to get the Pixel 8 at a huge discount is probably going to be one of the best deals on the market. Being able to get this for $150 off, folks, that is a steal in its own, man. I'll put my little code in here. I think that's my code. Yeah, that's it. But being able to get this phone for $150 off, here come the notifications, is a steal. This phone already starts at $699, and this is definitely from Google's latest and greatest. It's just the smaller, compact, powerful version of the 8 Pro, and $150 off, folks. is a freaking steal. The performance that you get from this device, the camera quality that you get from this device. I mean, like I said before, if you just missed what I said at the beginning of the video, this is the Pixel 8 Pro recording this video of all these Pixel devices. So we cannot let that go by so calmly. The Pixel devices are here to stay now, and video quality is greatly improved on all the Pixels. And folks, at $549, a flagship device, small body, nice powerful cameras, just compact design, still have a large screen, fingerprint reader, facial recognition, all the stuff, all the support, the software you want. I think Google's supporting this for what, 7 years or something like that. So if you're one of those people who are in it for the long haul, the Pixel 8 might be the one for you. Now let's bring in Big Daddy. Oh yes, there it is. Getting this device for a whopping $200 off. You know, folks, if you just bought this device and, you know, you were kind of like, oh man, I can get it on sale. Don't worry about it. You know, you still got a great device. But we all know the time to buy when we start to get close to the holidays is you just have to wait it out. And that is what those people are doing right now. So if you have not picked up this device, you better get it on right now, because you won't. And the bay color is in stock. This is this blue color right here. The combination. This is the ultimate combination for 2023 going into 2024. So this device right here is Google's top dog slab, just freaking, just the one. This is just the one. This is the one to get. This device right here goes hand in hand with the words phone of the year. So we'll see. We shall see. But we're going to make sure we make it happen, though. We're going to get you a phone of the year video. But this device right here will be in the midst. They have given it their all, folks. They have thrown it all out there. I mean, they have given you everything you could possibly want for a device where you can get these Black Friday deals from Google, Best Buy, everything. I have links in the description, so you should check that out. And look for trade-in deals on top of the Black Friday deal. That's what you need to do to really double up. You can really, really, really get some of these devices at just no cost almost. Just pretty much pennies on the dollar if you decide to pick up one of these devices current day. So the Pixel 8 Pro is definitely a king. But the last one on the chopping block here is the Pixel Fold. Now they brought this device out at a whopping $1,800 before tax. Yeah. So if you want innovation that Google is doing, here it is. If you want to stay current, this device is $400 off. $400 off. You cannot beat it, folks. This has got to be one of the best deals on the market for a foldable device currently. Only because of the price. Does it make it the best foldable device? No, it's not the best, but it is. If you're a Pixel fan, it's going to be the best. I'm a Pixel fan, but I just happen to have a ton of phones, and I love seeing all the new technology, and I'm happy that Google brought this device out when they did, because next year we'll be able to see what they really can do and how they capitalize on this design and everything for the next generation. So yeah, the Pixel Fold is in the house. $400 off, you just can't beat that, folks. Google has made it known that they are going to do whatever it takes to get your attention, to get you to buy their products. They're going to do it. And I don't see why you wouldn't want to pick something from this lineup, but that's just me. There's a whole bunch of things on sale, and I think you're probably going to enjoy your product, whatever you decide to pick up. It's your man Jay. I forgot to put my wedding ring on. I forgot to put my military ring on, but we're going to get them on now. It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Links down below.